Good, that looks underwater. Got the craws up in that fighting posture. Oh, no way. He was behind that rock. I saw the rock. I thought I was snagged on it. So I'm on the spot number 2. This is about 3.5, 4 miles from where I was fishing. I am familiar with this spot. In fact, this is where I nearly stepped on a bobcat last year, about this time on a very hot day. It was right there. I'm gonna eat lunch here. Looks like a great place to eat lunch. Yeah, there's a good smallmouth. Good jumper. Okay, well, at least the little ones left me alone this time. That's a gorgeous fish. Not as big as the one we caught in that last creek, but a very nice, respectable smallmouth. Oh yeah. Another gorgeous golden smallmouth. Wow. You can't beat the scenery either. Boy, they love that Nikko Craw. Beautiful fish. There we go. That fish was not getting away. Let's let him go. Thanks, bud. Yep, decent one. What is it? Okay, it is a smallmouth. That fish felt bigger than that. There's such a pretty dark golden color in here. Man, they're pretty. The Nikko Craw. See, I just have this rigged on a swinging jig head. And that's it. They've got a little recess in the body for that hook to slide down in that slot there. It's a very weedless presentation. Very weedless. Oh, there goes our friend. There goes our bud. He felt like a bigger fish than that, but he was a nice one anyway. I love when creeks are this shallow. It eliminates a lot of your guessing. It really narrows down the places where the fish can be. Makes your life easier as a fisherman. Right down in the scum. Lord of the scum. There was a fish there. Hey, there's our first green sunfish. Our first greenie. Some days I'll catch dozens of these in here. They're a very aggressive fish. Look how good that looks underwater. Got the craws up in that fighting posture. My back's getting sore, and I can tell I'm losing patience a little. But I gotta stay vigilant because this pool, I'd be shocked if this pool doesn't hold a big fish. I'm sure it does, just whether we can catch it or not. Oh, better fish than I thought. Finally got a smallmouth in here. Well, sadly I had my first camera malfunction of the day. I hope you caught that last fish. It was a nice jumping, fairly decent smallmouth. But I'm having just a great day. My emails are empty. I'm pretty much caught up on work. It's one of those rare days where I've got, oh, well, that guy made up for it. He was right in the shade. I got all the time I want. This is real similar to that other one. That other one might have been just a tad bigger. He was right in the shade, and boy, he gave us a nice jump. We gotta be on. Well, if that last one didn't come through, then we made up for it on this one. I'm glad for that. They are just such a pretty golden color in here. Some of the creeks I fish have kind of unique, the fish have unique coloring. Some of them they're a little more gold, some they're a little more bronze, some they're a little more dark or silver. But these ones are just a gorgeous gold. 2 in a row. We went from goose eggs for a while to all of a sudden getting 2 fish in a row. That's pretty good. Good for rock bass. No. What is that? Another, it's either a spot or a largie. I think we got another spot. Sure we do. Yeah. Second of the day. Gross. Feels gross on my feet. That's what I mean with this creek. One minute you're walking on solid flat stone or gravel, and then all of a sudden you're in muck. It's kind of weird. It's a little weird. It got weird. Oh, no way. He was behind that rock. I saw the rock. I thought it was snagged on it. Yeah. I was like, oh crap, I'm snagged. Nope. It was a smallmouth. Oh man. Do y'all get this excited when you catch fish? I mean, I've caught thousands of these things, I'm guessing. Well, I don't know how many I've caught. I've caught a lot. But I just love catching them. I just love catching these little hard fighting fish. They're so special to me. Man, he was in some skinny water right behind that big boulder. I mean, here we pass this amazing pool. Oh, look at the roots. Okay, now I know why this looks so different. This used to be a big jam. That whole tree is down. Good grief. That really surprised me that I caught that fish there. I mean, that quick too. He just hit it right away. There's another one. What are they doing up there in that shallow stuff? I don't care, but they are where you find them, that's for sure. Wherever they are, that's where they are. I mean, kind of a twin to the last guy. See how pretty they are in here? They're just so pretty. A little harder to get the hook out with these swinging jig heads. No, I don't have it in me. Gonna go back. Well, it's the rare day where I can say I fished to my heart's content, but I got to do that today. I'm very thankful for that. But I'm still gonna keep fishing. I'm gonna work my way back. I'm kind of out of patience. I don't need to get back, I just want to get back. But I got a long way to go. I don't think it's going to be a topwater day. I think this creek's too shallow, and I just haven't seen fish jumping at all. But I just like throwing a topwater. It's fun. Maybe we'll get surprised. Huh. World's tiniest something or other. Look at that. Well, we did catch one on the top water.
fishing?
Yeah, just catch and release. Just smallmouth.
Small.
Yeah. Yeah. What all do you like? What do you keep? Just the chubs, the little ones? You don't keep the smallmouth though, eh?
Yeah.
You keep the smallmouth?
No smallmouth, no.
Oh, okay.
A little bit.
Gotcha. Yeah. Yeah, this creek's very shallow compared to last year.
Yeah.
Yeah. See ya, have fun.
Okay.
Well, that was interesting. I've never seen anybody here before. That's the first time. Hey, another little spotted bass. Look at that. Hey, we'll end the trip on that big bruiser.